Hi, I'm Shannon, and this is Anatomy and Physiology 2. This is week number 1, and our video is supposed to be on labeling our lab report that we turn in every week. And so this is a little tutorial. This is going to be a little bit different because the images are already in my lab report assistant. So although I could use Google Draw to manipulate the image with inserting text and arrow boxes, I don't have to do that. I can do it right from Microsoft Word because those tools are already in here and the pictures are already in here. So it's the same thing, only I don't have to go to Google Draw. It's pretty easy to do it this way because the images are already in the lab assistant. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you how to do that really fast. And I don't know if you can see this really well, but so here is the lab report assistant. The photo is already here. This is for the pituitary gland. And then all I'm going to do is to insert anything, do an insert, do a text box, and then it's going to, except that I didn't do that right. Hang on, so I'm going to get rid of that really quick because I didn't click on the box where I wanted the picture to go. Let's do it here on the adrenal gland. So I'm going to select the adrenal gland area, insert. I'm going to insert a text box, and then it should show up here in the adrenal gland because that's where I clicked on where I wanted it to go. And then you see it's a different size than what I want. It's kind of big right there. So then I can select a size, and I'll have it go to 14. That's kind of what I've been doing all of them. And then I can do a text here. Okay. As you can see, there's medulla right there. I can also highlight these areas. So let's click on, like this one in particular, the zona reticularis. I didn't say that right, but you get my drift. And then I can highlight that box, different color, so that it stands out a little bit. Or I can have it be no color. Okay, no color on this one. And then I'm going to do insert shapes because I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do an arrow. You just go to shapes and I'm going to choose arrow. Super easy. From this one, I'm going to do over to here, and then I can make it the color. It's pretty easy to do it that way, where you select the color of the outline. So it's like that, and then I can maneuver that shape, that arrow, anywhere I want. It's super easy. And then I do that for each one of the things that I'm trying to label. And then when I'm all done with my lab report, then I save it as a PDF, and then I will copy paste that into the submission area for my grade, and I will also put on it who it is, who is submitting it, my name on my lab assistant, and then submit it for grading prior to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And that is my tutorial on how to label images. And again, this one is just from Microsoft Word because the image is already in the lab assistant report. If it were not, then I could use Google Draw and put it in that way. Same process, selecting an area, putting the text, saving the whole assistant, lab assistant report as a PDF and submitting it for a grade. Thanks so much, and I hope that was helpful.